Hell yeah.
Yo, cuts by. Said on my shirt. White limb. That's the problem with wearing black shirts. Anyway, cuts by Reggie. Back with another review. If you like the videos, there's a thumbs up button. If you dislike the videos, there's a thumbs down button. If you really hate my videos, there's a DM on my Instagram where some of y'all have told me that I make no. Anyway, comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, because at 5,000 subscribers, I have a nice, very, in my opinion, very nice giveaway planned. I already told you one thing that will be included will be the Saber, the Stylecraft Saber, the brushless motor clipper. So if you're not subscribing, if you're just stopping by right now just to see what's going on in Cuts by Reggiville, subscribe to the channel. Today we have a review of a new clipper. Technically not out yet, but it is available for pre-order on the website. All right, we have the Stylecraft Rebel. I was about to say Mythic. In my mind, Mythic came out. So we have the Stylecraft Rebel. See the different color lids it comes. It comes with the blue one. In my unboxing, I said I was gonna put the black one on, and guess what? I haven't yet to put the black one on. I wanted to because it looks good, but I haven't. Anyway, this is the new Rebel. Shout out to Stylecraft. They actually sent this to me. Shout out to Austin over there at Stylecraft/Gamma. They actually sent this to me a little bit ago. I've had it for about 2 weeks now. But it is available for pre-order on the website for, I believe, $169. I think I got this price right. $169.95, something like that. And you can use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money. All right. So we're just going to talk about this real quick, not long. If you've been watching my videos for a while, or if you just went back to some of my older videos, I had a short clip about the Alpha, the Gamma Alpha or whatever. I didn't like it. I was not a fan. It didn't cut smooth to me. It kind of bogged down, didn't have that power of an all-around clipper that I was looking for. So this is, and I know Stylecraft had put out their version of the Alpha as well, and people have said theirs was better than the Gamma, same company, but you know, whatever, right? But this is pretty much the updated, more powerful Alpha. All right, so we're gonna go through what's included in this box and see if it lived up to being called that updated, that upgraded Alpha. All right, so you get the box, of course, Stylecraft Gamma, same pop-up with the, let you see what you get in there, or the different lids. And here's my black just still sitting there. I do like that matte finish on that black though. I've just yet to use it. Then they come with the pink. Of course you get they give you levers, and then you get the stretch bracket in there to help your clipper open up to a full one. If you like those better, like the JRLs and the Masters open up to a full one. Get it later. Get your screwdriver, and it does come with the charging dock, USB charging dock. So you got that. I haven't been using it because of my station. I used it for a couple days, but my station gets crowded at times, so I just been having it plugged up. But anyway, those are the accessories. Those are the accessories that come in this. So you get your pre-order, $169 on the website. Use discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you a couple dollars. All right. I think the first shipment of this, I don't know exactly when I'm bringing this video out, but the first shipment of this pre-order will be dropping in December. So you can go ahead and order now, wait a little bit to order, but the first shipment will be, I don't know if, I think it's mid-December. All right. So I got mine plugged up in my drawer. This is the machine. Very lightweight. Get your click levers there. It got you 5 positionings, lets you get a better fading. On some of my clippers that got the click lever, I do change them if I'm able to. I change it to the floating lever just because I like the floating lever better. But when I'm reviewing, testing, I like to keep it as is. So of course you get the click lever. It come with that Stylecraft Fusion blade, the black diamond coated. And you see they got I was trying to explain this in the last one, but they got this is the first clipper that comes with their thin cutting blade, as you can see right there. Very deep tooth, not very deep tooth, but deep tooth cutting blade. You can see. I should have opened it up and let you see. I did open it up when I added it to the Mythic, but you can see the cutting blade there. 2 charging ports, the regular USB, and then this is for the charging dock. As you can see how it's built, it's pretty much built the same as the Alpha or a Magic Clip or a Senior, that same body style. This is a rotary motor clipper with 7,200 RPMs. Now, for people like me in the beginning, I always thought that the higher RPMs or whatever, the better they was in cutting. But as we all know, the first Alpha, or not the first Alpha, I'm gonna just say the Alpha was 10,000 RPMs. All right, but it didn't have the torque, the power that this Rebel has. Look at that. I like that design. I don't like this. Don't leave as many like fingerprints as other slick body styles, but yeah, there you go. But anyway, so how do they perform is the question. Where do I start? Well, first, let me read off of this a little bit. Let me read off of it a little bit. 7,200 RPM, 3 different modification options, 180 minutes of runtime, 3 hours of runtime for 1 hour of rapid charge, which is great. Tight or stretch bracket for the kits. It does come with the double magnetics. I haven't opened mine because I got plenty of double magnetic guards already. So, how do this perform? Great. It's very lightweight. It's funny how clippers come out and you don't know you need certain. So, take for instance this Babyliss, right? This right here might look off, but you don't know that helps until you're using it. And when you're fading, your finger just slides right into that. Unlike which I love the JRL, but it's kind of just a body style. You know what I'm saying? Nothing, it holds in your hand good, and it got this indentation here, but using the combination of the back gripping right there, and then when you fading on this, your hand just lay straight right there. Y'all can see the little indentation right here. Your hand placed on the back, boom, you fading, goes right into it. This is a great upgrade to their Alpha. 7,200 RPM, but like I said, if you don't know, like I was in the beginning, you don't know what that means. Now you start to understand that it shows the rotation, but this is cutting much better, much smoother than the Alpha ever was, right? Of course, you can do upgrades and batteries and blah, blah, blah. But as far as clipper versus clipper, this is a much better version of the Alpha. It's great with fading. I love that fade blade on it, and it cuts so smooth. Like that, I don't know, the Alpha just didn't hit for me. And maybe I need to grab it back out and really do a comparison between them. But I just remember using it for like 2 weeks and then putting it in a box and sitting it to the side. All right. This is a great clipper for fading. This is a better all-around clipper. If you use Magic Clips, Seniors, or if you like the Alpha, this is a great addition to whatever that you're using. All right. It don't get hot at all. Like it don't get, some clippers, they can get warm in the beginning, but then don't really get hotter than that. This don't get hot at all. It lasts your full 3 hours. It actually lasts a little bit longer than that. I don't know how they test exactly how long these clippers be lasting, but the past few clippers that I got have lasted a bit longer than what the box or the company is saying. I use this on a busy day. Now, the whole weeks that I've been using, they ain't been busy. But this past Friday and Saturday, I did use them. They died at the end of the day on Friday, which is usually my busy day. If you follow me on Instagram, I told you how many haircuts I cut that Saturday. It was busy, but where was I at? It lasts the full time. Cuts through anything. It cuts through any texture of hair. So I'm gonna put side by side the difference between and y'all know Magic Clips is one of my favorite clippers, but I'm gonna show you the difference between cutting with a Magic Clip through some thick hair versus cutting with this through some thick hair. All right, the Magic Clip will cut through it. I love the Magic Clip. It will cut through it, but this just cuts through it a bit smoother. I didn't go back and forth between too many clippers when I was using this the first week. I was able to get it, and I guess it's because of the feel. Like I said, Magic Clips are my favorite clipper. I got a couple of them on my station. But based off the feel of a Magic Clip versus this, it was an easier transition than jumping into a JRL or Caliber 50 Cal. It was just it was an easier, smoother transition because of the build. But this gives you more power, longer run time than your Magic Clips. It's just gonna hold up a bit better. All right. This is the sound close to the camera. I'm trying to move it back to where my chair actually is. It does have some sound. It's the rotary motor. It does have some sound. To it, but it's not loud. I've watched back some of my videos on Instagram that I've posted of me using it, and it can sound a little bit louder on the camera. I don't know how this sounds to you, but it got some sound. But during a busy day, clients talking, you're talking, you're not gonna hear that or pay that no mind, honestly, because of what you got going on. But either way, don't get hot, cut smooth, great with fading, great with cutting through bulk. This is excuse me. Like I said, so this is the best upgrade to a clipper that I've used besides the BMG version of the 50 cal. This is, if you're going to get, because I think the Alpha is actually, it's either $10 less or $10 more. I want to say less because this is a newer clipper, so, or $20 or less or more. But if you're going to get a new clipper, and if you're looking to buy the Alpha, go ahead and get the Rebel. All right. I know it's so many clippers that come out, and if you're new to the barber world or you're just new to trying to find out what's going on with all the clippers, it's a lot to choose from. Me, I buy clippers, and luckily they send me some now, but I buy a lot of clippers just because that's like people got shoe addictions and they spend so much money on shoes or whatever. I'm addicted to buying new clippers. I have a special clipper on the way. We'll talk about that later, but got one on the way, which I paid a little bit more than I wanted to, but it's on the way. Either way, y'all know sometimes I get on this and start rambling. This is a great clipper. This Stylecraft Rebel is, I'm not calling it the best. I'm not calling it, I'm gonna try to stop saying that in my reviews, because after a while, some of them have not been the best, but this right here is holding up. It's this does feel like, compared to this Babyliss, the FX Pro, the low Pro that comes out in February, this seems like if you drop it a couple times, you might be all right. Now this do feel like if you drop it, you might be in bad shape, because it's very lightweight and you can feel that. But I mean, get you one or two. I mean, how often do you drop clippers? I drop a few, but either way, great clipper, great addition to your repertoire. Make sure you get you one. Use my discount code Cuts by Reggie, save you some money. If you're gonna buy it, you might as well save some money while you're doing it. Discount code Cuts by Reggie on the Stylecraft website. All right. So that's my review of the clipper. Is it worth your time? Is it worth your money? Yes. Is it a better upgrade for the Alpha? Yes. Should they get rid of the Alpha and keep this? I don't know, because I'm not a businessman, but I would say yes. Throw the Alpha away and just make people buy this Rebel, because this is going to be, this is hard to beat right now. Lightweight, cuts through anything. Besides that sound, and a few times now, this could be just mine that they sent to me because it's early in the game. Sometimes when I was switching it on, it got that glitch Like, you know, I don't know if some of y'all babyless trimmers, like when you turn it on, it kind of stall for a second before it come on. This did that sometime, but it don't do it all the time. So not a bad thing. Lightweight, don't get hot, cut through anything, fade. This is a great all-around clipper. Make sure you try it out if you got the chance, or, you know, yeah. If you like the videos, there's a thumbs up button. If you dislike them, there's a thumbs down button. And if you hate me, there's a DM on my Instagram. Tell me what you think. Open for all conversations. Comment, share, subscribe. Let's engage. Let's keep building. Let's make it to 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully before the year out. And that'll be a great New Year's gift for someone. I don't know if people do New Year's gift, but it'd be a great one. All right. Cuss by Reggie. Stylecraft Rebel. I'm out. Peace.